Good morning students. In this video we are going to see about the triangle of auscultation. We have already seen the muscles of the back, so you know that this is the trapezius muscle. This is the lateral border of trapezius. This is the upper border of latissimus dorsi, and this is the medial border of the scapula. So this region, this is the triangle of auscultation, bounded by lateral border of trapezius, upper border of latissimus dorsi, and the medial border of scapula. The floor of this triangle, it is formed by the 6th and the 7th rib and the 6th intercostal space. Also, the floor is partly covered by the rhomboides major muscle. That is the part of the back which is not covered by big muscles. So you can place a stethoscope in this region and hear the respiratory sounds. Also, on the left side, the cardiac orifice of the stomach lies below the floor. Thank you.